Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing, and hopefully there's gonna be some good stuff in here that maybe I can try out today on this face. I don't know any spoilers because I haven't seen anything, so everything's gonna be a surprise. This is the March 2019 BoxyCharm, and let's just get right into it. So, well, this is what I'm seeing here. Normally there's a little black thing covering it, and then I get to lift it and get all surprised, but all right, let's just go. So the first thing I'm seeing here is some brushes. So this is Moda brand, powder and soft glow, excellent for wet and dry products, waterproof metallic handle, sturdy aluminum, don't know what that says, some kind of bristles, professional quality fibers, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, no animal testing. Okay, so let's see, how do we get these open? This is what the box looks like. And we've got two brushes. Oh wow, these are really pretty actually. I did not think they were going to be that color. That's pretty cool. Okay, so we've got two different brushes here. This big one is a powder brush. It says pat translucent powder onto the face to create a flawless finish. And this one is a soft glow. It says sweep a luminous glow onto the high planes of the face using a highlighter for a lit from within look. So we got a powder brush and a highlighter brush. Okay, that's cool. They feel really, really soft, really good quality. Actually, they feel amazing and they are super pretty. There is a crown on the logo as well as the brand name. Next up, we have a product from Wander Beauty. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. So we got a peel off mask. Wonder what color it is, just out of curiosity. Oh, it's actually a baby pink pearl color. Okay, that's cute. Next up, we have a liquid eyeshadow. That's pretty cool. So the brand is Appeal, and the color I got is rose gold. So this is a liquid eyeshadow. Let's open it up and see what the wand looks like. Okay, so it is actually a brush wand. That looks pretty neat. It's got some sparkles in it. I don't know that I would say it's rose gold. I mean, it kind of looks that, but it looks pretty gold to me. Next up, we have a lip product, and this is from Ofra. This is a long-lasting liquid lipstick, and I'm assuming the color is Monaco because there is no color label at the bottom or the top, but it does say Monaco there, so I'm guessing this is the color I got. It smells like vanilla cupcakes, and it looks super, super dark. And lastly, we have an item here from Color FX. This says Perfector Face Palette for light to medium. So let's see what's inside. Ooh, we've got a highlighter, a brightener, another highlighter, a contour, a finishing powder, and a blush. And also a mirror up here that just has like a little cover on it so it's foggy. But these are the colors. Now this says that it's a finishing powder, but it has sparkles in it. So I wonder how that works. Oh, I really like the 3D texture of these. That's not just like an imprint. That's like an actual 3D like formed imprint in there. So these are some really good products in the March BoxyCharm box. Let's check out the prices and the value. So this box is called La Vienne Rose. Okay, so let's look at the prices here. So the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, which comes with 6 different shades. This is $45. $45. Wow, and the box alone only costs $21. Next up, we have the face mask, which is $34. Sweet mother, that is pretty pricey. Okay, then we got the brush set here is $29.99. Y'all, $21, and I done told y'all $45 and $34 and $29.99. All this for $21. Okay, the Ofra lipstick costs $20, and the liquid eyeshadow costs $21. So that is a pretty good value, $21 for all of this stuff. And yeah, it's really nice stuff. Actually, you know, I don't know that I'm gonna use any of it today. pretty much because I'm not doing anything today. And to be honest with you, I have been like, I didn't really feel good this morning. And so I've been laying in bed for hours, and then I finally like made myself get up and take a shower. I haven't even cleaned my apartment. I have to go do some grocery shopping, but I don't know that I even want to actually put makeup on today, so I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. It's like 5 o'clock. I mean, why am I gonna put makeup on? I'm just gonna go right back to bed anyway. So maybe I'll just skip that, and I guess, you know, I can try out these products, and if you guys want a review on them, I can do that. Of course I can, but yeah, I think actually I'm just gonna skip out on makeup today. I'm going to dry my hair and then just go. Okay, I got some really old yoga pants on that are actually my cleaning pants, and I've got on this cute little shirt my mom got me that says Beauty and the Beast, and it's got the rose from Beauty and the Beast on it, and this is my look for the day, and this is how I'm gonna go out grocery shopping, minus my gorgeous hair towel. But yeah, so anyways, I just wanted to do an unboxing for the month of March because a lot of my viewers like to see what I got in my box, because everyone who gets BoxyCharm, if you watch the unboxing videos, everyone gets the same stuff, but there's different variations. Like someone else might get a different lip color, which I wish I would have gotten because this one seems really dark. Let's just go ahead and swatch it. So you might get a different lip color, you might get something different. There's usually one item that could be different, like maybe I got the face mask, but someone else is gonna get a serum, you know? So every box is different. That doesn't look too bad. So I know a lot of people like to see what everybody got in their boxes, and I also always get asked which box did I get. I got the number 1, and the weight of this box, because normally I get asked the weight of it. Actually, I don't see a weight on here today. There usually is a weight, but there's not one here. It just says lightweight, so there you go, lightweight. And I really love everything I got. I always do though. That's the coolest thing about BoxyCharm. Like, aside from getting disappointed over like a lip color, which is not even a big deal to me, they always just have like really nice stuff in there. You can never go wrong, girl. So if you got a small makeup collection and you're wanting to grow your makeup collection and try out different brands, BoxyCharm is the way to go. And just so you know, this is not sponsored. I don't get paid for this, and I don't get paid if you sign up for BoxyCharm. See, I don't even have a BoxyCharm affiliate link or a code or anything. BoxyCharm for me all started last year when I mysteriously got a BoxyCharm box in the mail, and I was like, where did this even come from? Like, how did they even get my address? I'll actually post the video where I'm talking about that down below so you can check it out. It's a big mystery, and I've been getting them ever since. And you know what, girl? I ain't complaining because I love them. But yeah, so this is not sponsored in any way. If you sign up for BoxyCharm, I don't benefit from it, but you will because you'll get some cool stuff. But yeah, thanks BoxyCharm for always sending me these amazing boxes. I love them. If you want to sign up, I'll link it down below. It's probably just BoxyCharm.com. I ain't got no special codes or letters or numbers or nothing. So yeah, $21 a month. And then they also have a Boxy Luxe, I think it's called, which is an even bigger box, so you get even more stuff for more money. I've never got it. So BoxyCharm, if you're watching, send me out one of them Luxe boxes while you're at it, because I'd love to get one. Yeah, anyway, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to know if I like these products, ask me. And when I try them, I'll like tell you if I like them or not. All right, give this video a thumbs up. Did I already say leave me some comments? I don't know, but y'all probably already know that I want y'all to. So just go ahead and leave some comments, and I'll see you next time.